If you guys like how I do my chart analysis on YouTube and you want to learn how to do it yourself, click the link below to check out the Vee Trades technical analysis course. What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I'll be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Amazon with the ticker symbol AMZN. If you want a chart analysis guaranteed to be done, please read the description below. Also, take a second to give the video a like and subscribe for more chart analysis. I appreciate it very much. This video is for entertainment purposes only, does not constitute any financial advice. I will first go over what I see in the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So it looks like Amazon is also having a nice little impulse upwards. Ever since we had a double bottom back here in early March, we have been going up. So this was the double bottom. Prices could not break or close below that. We did break that $2,700 level, but we could not close below it. So we had a nice little double bottom. Sellers gave up, buyers rushed in the market. Now we're seeing a huge buying spree. So this is the channel that's holding prices up. All these price bars are inside of it except for today. So this is the first break of the pattern. So we could see a correction lower, probably back down to the, let me put a trend line, maybe back down to the 3164 level, 3165 level. If the market wants to get that low, we could also just come back to the 3257 level, just like we did back here in March 24th, and then rally upwards. But they probably want to stop out the person who went long here and then come back to this previous breakout level near the EMA. So this would be a good place for the market to pull back to before making the second impulse up. So right now we have the first impulse. It's a nice strong first leg of the market. I'm looking for a correction downwards to the 3168 level for another opportunity to continue higher and make another measure move up, or make the measure move up prior to the previous highs or even the new all-time highs. So that's everything I have on the daily chart. Not a lot to talk about. We had this downtrend correction in play, then we saw a massive sell-off, then we saw buyers step in the market, rally prices up, then we came back down to the same point in time where we saw the massive rally. So if it happened before, there's a good chance it can happen again. Now we're seeing more buyers step in the market. The whole market is pulling back, so Amazon is going to be also benefiting from that rising prices. So I'm looking for a little pullback. We're getting far away from the EMA. We're just due for a pullback. This looks like the end of an impulse to me. So after this pullback, I'm still expecting higher prices. So let's take a look at the weekly chart to wrap it all up. And here we have the weekly chart for Amazon, and it kind of range bound. We're pretty much back at the same price level in July of 2020. So not a lot of, pretty much no price change there. We've been just going up and down inside of this range. Looks like this is the sideways action that prices are respecting. We had a little fail breakout here, which led to a little fail break on the bottom side. Now we're seeing a rally upwards. There's also another pattern in play that I believe is taking precedence. So you can see that we had this spike up. Let's go and make this orange, and let's connect the swings on the bottom side. So this looks like a range with that upward bias to it. That's why we could not come near the bottom side over here. So those two patterns in play. Looks like the range won out. But now it looks like we're still going to go back up to retest the previous highs, because if we have an uptrend channel and we get the first break of the pattern, normally prices will go back up to the retest the previous highs, and that's what it looks like it's trying to attempt. So I'm looking for prices to continue higher. Definitely looking strong right now. We got back above the EMA, and we're back above the midline of the range. So we're in the upper bounds, the second half of it on the top side. So this looks pretty good. Looking for this little pullback. This weekly candle looks like a pullback candle too. You can see that if I zoom in on the chart, price is traded all the way up to the $3,400 level, but now we're selling off. So that's why this tail is being formed, and the body of this green candle is getting smaller. So this looks like a reversal or a pullback candle. So this week, maybe Thursday and Friday might be more selling. So we could pull back a little bit more, but I'm still looking for another impulse up. Especially since we are at the bottom side of the range, we can go to the top side. And if we get to the top side, I think they want to make a new all-time high. So that's my prediction for Amazon. Based on the technicals, it looks pretty strong for the bulls. And give you guys an update if anything else changes. thank you for stopping by and checking out my video. Make sure to check out the rest of the channel since you might be surprised what you can learn. Leave a comment down below on where you think prices are headed. Also share the video if you want your friends to learn about the markets. Lastly, I appreciate any feedback to help improve the channel since I want to deliver great content to you guys. See you next time, and bye.